Hello and welcome to the final section of this course. Here we will be concluding our course and will discuss about what could be the next available for you after completing this course. So let's start with this video to discuss about your future after this course and what could be waiting for you in the next level of Neo4j. Let us know about your feedback so we could help you learning that as well. Now, starting about the future of Neo4j after the successful completion of this course could lead to you gaining the confidence of top IT industries to hire new enthusiast engineers of Neo4j. This is your time to step into Walmart for recommendation engine to get more business on arousing their customers to buy more products. You can also land into the artificial intelligence for developing the very efficient and very scalable algorithms for eBay. NASA is also looking forward to you and to grow their knowledge. They are also looking forward to Neo4j engineers to grow their knowledge for graphs by involving them in new challenges. If you are expert with the critical thinking, you can join Fortune 500 to prevent this world from fraud. What could be the next level that you can avail after the completion of this course on your request, on your demand actually? Neo4j internals, where we will be discussing how native graph processing can be done using Neo4j in very much efficient way, and how native graph storage is very optimized with the help of Neo4j, developing some programmatic APIs to help your developers in working easily with the database. The traversal framework are also coming around to help their developers in order to get their challenges completed, and there are some non-functional characteristics that are always there with the functional characteristics of a project. So this could be the package of Neo4j for you on your demand in the next level for this course. You can also land into the predictive analysis with Neo4j when we are going to develop the depth first search algorithm or breadth first search algorithm. We can also develop some path finding algorithms that will help you in finding some paths between the locations, that like someone is looking to deliver the pizza and find a very efficient and a very short way between those points. So you can find that path using this algorithm that we will be developing in our next course. The asterisk procedure is also a part of artificial intelligence, which is an algorithm used in artificial intelligence. We can use it in Neo4j as well. And we will also build and discuss about some local bridges that will really be beneficial for you.